And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you a simple sketch effect. You can apply it to text and other objects. Let me create two text elements here. I'll size them up holding Shift and Control. And I copy this one pressing Ctrl D. Let me put them right here in the center. I activate the type tool and I make the second one a normal style, so the top one is bold. It's crucial to turn them underpath into a path, so object to path right here. Then select one and use the path effects. Underpath, click on the plus sign, and there is a sketch option. Strokes and max stroke length are the most important parameters here. You can also click this icon right next to the plus minus to randomize it a little bit. Let me add the effect to the second one as well. So this one was the normal style and the one on top was bold. So it makes a little bit of a difference what font you use and what style it has. Keep that in mind when you apply this effect to text. You can also apply it to objects. Let me create a circle, plus sign sketch. This is what we've got. If you want to create more complex shapes, let me just create a quick Mickey Mouse. Something like this. I shift click on it all. And then I go to path and union it. And now I add the effect. And you get your outline with the sketch. Then we press Ctrl Z. You can also shift click on the three elements and then go to path and combine. Now you can click on the plus and add the sketch. And this time it preserves the outlines on the inside. So when you create more complex shapes, keep that in mind. And this is how you can apply such an easy sketch effect in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.